History of AI provide an overview of the history of AI, including major milestones and breakthroughs. The history of AI can be traced back to ancient times, but its modern roots began in the mid-20th century. Here's an overview of major milestones and breakthroughs. 1950s, birth of AI. The term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy in 1956, marking the official beginning of AI as a field of study. 1956, Dartmouth Conference. McCarthy, along with other pioneers like Marvin Minsky, Alan Newell, and Herbert Simon, organized the Dartmouth Conference, which laid the groundwork for AI research. 1950s to 1960s, early AI programs. During this period, researchers developed programs like the Logic Theorist, 1956, the General Problem Solver, 1959, and the Perceptron, 1957, which laid the foundation for symbolic AI and neural networks. 1970s, expert systems. AI research shifted towards expert systems, which were rule-based systems designed to mimic human expertise in specific domains. 1980s, AI winter. Funding for AI research decreased due to overpromising and underdelivering on AI's potential, leading to what's known as the AI winter. Late 1980s, neural networks resurgence. Neural networks experienced a resurgence with the development of backpropagation algorithms, leading to advancements in pattern recognition and machine learning. 1990s, rise of machine learning. Machine learning approaches, such as support vector machines and decision trees, gain popularity for tasks like data mining and classification.
2000s, big data and deep learning. The availability of vast amounts of data and improvements in computing power led to breakthroughs in deep learning, particularly with the rise of convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs. 2010s, AI in everyday life. AI became increasingly integrated into everyday life, with applications in natural language processing, computer vision, recommendation systems, and autonomous vehicles. 2020s, ethical and societal implications. With AI's widespread adoption, concerns about ethics, bias, privacy, and job displacement have come to the forefront, leading to discussions and initiatives around responsible AI development and deployment. Overall, the history of AI is marked by periods of enthusiasm and progress, as well as skepticism and setbacks. Yet, it continues to evolve rapidly, shaping various aspects of society and
kindly subscribe our channel and also press the bell button. Like our channel, share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you.